Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the October 2025 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to pop it open here and we'll see what the theme is. And then I'll sort everything out. Lavender Latte. Oh, I think I'm going to like this box, y'all. Because, you know, purple. This month's box is all about cozy vibes and warm creativity. Cozy up with fall-inspired pinks, purples, and warm autumn tones. This month's box features gemstones, pearls, crystals, seed beads, and check glass. Perfect for layering and creating your own seasonal sparkle. Plus, enjoy exclusive laser-cut latte cups and swirling steam accents to glue and layer into your very own cozy latte earrings. Pour yourself a cup, get creative, and let your imagination steam. And on the back here is everything that's in the box. They've even got the color of the letters in lavender. That's cute. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and first I've got some check glass marquee inlay beads. It says gold inlay. These are really, really pretty. They're just really, really pretty. There's 6 of those. And then next is a mix of check glass drop beads. It says October mix, and they're 3 by 5 millimeters. So there's all kinds of pretty colors in there, and they're top drilled. The hole goes through there like that. I could get a few on my pen here so you could see them better. Pretty little drop beads. All kinds of pretty colors. And then next are some Lavender Azuki seed beads. The color is Vintage Rose. I'm just going to leave those in the package. If I try to take them out, I'll have them everywhere. Really pretty color. And then next is a Super Duo mix. It says October mix. And there's all kinds of pretty colors in there. Pinks and purples and bronze or copper. And sort of an olive color in there, I think. Just all kinds of pretty colors in there. And then next are some Athena cast halo beads. And it says, it just says diamond. They're diamond shaped. And of course the halo beads have 2 holes, which means I need another pen, and I only have one here. So if you had some like diamond duos, they probably would fit in there. Frame them. They're really cool. It doesn't say the color, but they're either a copper or bronze. I always have trouble telling the difference between copper and bronze unless I put them up next to each other. And then next are some check glass melon beads. It says they're 8 millimeters, And it says color swirls. And those are really pretty. There's 5 of those. And then next are some Potomac pearls. These are 2 millimeters. Little tiny 2 millimeter pearls, and the color is cream rose. Those are really pretty. I love little tiny beads. And then there are some 8 millimeter Potomac pearls, and the color is old lace. And those are just beautiful. I just love their pearls and their backbones. And then next are some, it says gemstone jade purple tones. And it says jade faceted rondelles. They're 4 millimeters. Those are all kinds of pretty colors. Shades of purple. And then next are some Potomac crystal cube beads. They're crystal AB. They're 3 millimeters. Get them up here on my pen. You won't be able to see them because they're clear. In that white dish, you're not going to be able to see them at all. Those are really pretty. And then next are some check glass large leaves. It says they're topaz. It doesn't say the size. But they are very large. And the hole is through the top there. So you could probably wire wrap it a little bit and make a pendant out of it, or some big earrings. And those are really pretty. And then next are some stainless steel tweezers. That's really neat. I love when they include a little tool in here. It's got a little protective thing on it there. Those are really nice. Some fine tipped tweezers. It makes it helpful when you're doing some knotting with cord or leather or whatever. And I don't have any tweezers, believe it or not. That's really neat. And then next are some Potomac crystal bicones. These are 4 millimeter, and the color is Tanzanite AB. It's a really pretty color of purple. Pretty. It's really, really beautiful. And then next are some check glass vintage rice beads. It doesn't say the color. They were just on the strand here, so it doesn't say the color or the size, but they're really pretty. And then next are some Miyuki seed beads. These are 8/0s, and the color is vintage copper. And then next, or last, are the laser cut latte charms they were talking about, and some E6000 glue to use with them. So I've not taken the protective coating off of them. They'd be much prettier if I had, but I'm afraid to, because I don't want to do it here on video because I'll mess it up. But I think you would glue your cup on there like that, and you would have a cup of coffee or tea, whatever, with the steam coming out of it. That's really cute. It's really neat. They provide you with the glue and everything to do that with. And then it's got a little hole at the top there. You can make a little pair of earrings. That's really neat. It's really cool. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the October 2025 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Lavender Latte. Some really beautiful high quality beads and findings. There's always beautiful high quality beads and findings in the Potomac treasure box. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description box below that will take you to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care.